I'm Lesley.
I'm Vanessa.
And I'm Vicky.
And we're all part of the GreenFest organising committee.
So it was a difficult decision and we were really sad to have to cancel 2020, but we had a committee meeting and felt that we really wanted to support the local businesses who have had such a hard time during lockdown, and also our visitors and supporters for the inaugural GreenFest last year. So instead of GreenFest 2020 Live, we've put together an online programme of events, and we really hope that you enjoy it. And this video is about creating eco-brick structures for your garden.
Some of you may have seen at GreenFest 2020 our Sammy the snake eco bench at Hampstead Norreys Primary School. That was built by the community for the primary school. We used 168 2-litre bottles full of single-use waste plastic, and we built Sammy the snake with cob, which is made from clay, from sand, from straw, and we mixed in lime for durability. This one has been made with garden soil and with dried grass chopped in to help it bind, and water. So it's very much an experiment to see if this will take, especially given the roots going down into the top level. The eco bricks can be used to make structures. They're called bricks because you can stand on them, they're so solid. And during lockdown, I really started to think, what can I make with all of these eco bricks that we've collected? So I was going to make a garden bench with the eco bricks, and then I got thinking about it, and I think I really want to have a native area to my garden, something that is full of wildlife. And I decided to make an eco-brick pond.
We made the material to get the eco-bricks to the pond out of mud, dried grass and water. And we mixed it all together and put it on top of a layer of eco-bricks. We also put the mud mixture on the top so the roots can grow into the mixture.
All of these plants that have been used have come from my garden. They're all native, and the idea is that we are encouraging native wildlife by using these different plants. The plants that have been put around the pond are very much an experiment. The hope is that they will embed into the mud, and the roots will then keep it nice and firm over the winter.
So Ollie and I had taken, and Vanessa and Lesley have taken a trip to the River Pang in West Berkshire, which is no more than a quarter of a mile from Lesley's home, and we have collected sedge, iris, water mint, all sorts of good things, caddis flies. We went pond dipping. What else did we get?
So we got some gamarus, which is a name for freshwater shrimp. And so
What else did we have? We had some like water woodlicey things. We had
water life.
we had some dragonfly larvae,
What else did we get?
and we've got some more tadpoles to add into the pond.
That's what I'm going to do.
Create this nature garden, a little woodland, pond, rockery, all to encourage wildlife into this area of her garden. So we were creating a rockery, so we collected lots of rocks from all over her garden, put them in a big pile, borrowed some topsoil from a local building works going on next door, filled it up, and then Lesley has planted it with things from her garden. Now the idea is that the rocks will give an in and an out for nature to get into the pond and safely out, whether it's a hedgehog, a frog or a snake.
So build a nature garden and nature will come. So we're going to be back GreenFest 2021 on Saturday the 4th of September. We look forward to seeing you then.
It's going to be building on last year, and it's going to be bigger
And better than ever.